Hi, I'm Tracy Duval from Thor Motor Coach.
And I'm Steve Duval, and today something completely different, fast, easy, and perhaps using a tool you may or may not be familiar with.
That's right, an air fryer. Now, we're sort of newbies to air fryers, okay? But we thought, what better way to just show some offbeat things that we've discovered are awesome in an air fryer that you could use when you're traveling. You know, you don't want to heat up the coach. It's the middle of summer. You want something quick, but you want something tasty.
Right.
So we have a bunch of things that we've discovered are great.
Now, we did take this one with us when we went up to Sleeping Bear Dunes.
We did.
And they're great for cooking. You know, you want to heat up some nuggets or some fries.
Especially with kids. I think we find that our kids use it a whole lot to, like he said, make frozen French fries or whatever.
But today, a few things you may not have known you could do in an air fryer. We have hard-boiled eggs.
Yes.
Cookies.
That's our 12-year-old actually discovered this. I caught her one day. I got home a few minutes after her, and she was making cookies in the air fryer. She's like, Mom, they're really good.
They are. They're crispy on the outside and really gooey on the inside.
And then he discovered hot dogs.
Oh my gosh.
And the day that he discovered how good hot dogs were in the air fryer, I mean, if you had heard things at our house, you're not gonna believe this. They are awesome, and they
really
truly
good.
are. The flavor, it's just, there's something about it that really brings the flavor out in the hot dogs.
And then one of these little mini frozen pizzas, instead of heating up the oven, you throw it in here and it gets it kind of crisp and gooey. So you want to start with, where do you want to go? You want to start with the eggs over here?
Yes, because the eggs seem to take the longest.
Right, they do. They're about 12
and
minutes.
The first time I did this, I messed it up, okay? So that's why we want to give you some tips. The first time I did it, I burned them because there is a little bit more of a technique.
Right, you put it down, this is about 250, and this is going to go about 12 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
So 250 for 12 minutes. If you go a lot higher, because so many times things in the air fryer go quick, I burned my eggs.
And the house smells great when you burn eggs. It's a wonderful scent
Exactly.
that wafts through the air. All right, so what do you want to do in this one?
Okay,
all
so
kinds of stuff.
let's do, why don't we do a hot dog?
Ladies' choice.
Why don't we do a hot dog?
All right. Let's throw some hot dogs in there. And this one's at 400. These are going to go really fast.
Familiar with an air fryer, you know you don't really have to put anything in. I mean, no grease, no.
All right, just like that, and start. This one's a little, it's fancier. So we're gonna let these cook. Right back. So it has been about 8 minutes for the hot dogs, and again, this depends on how well you like them. Oh, I think these are perfect.
Ooh, those do look good.
Oh, man.
Now, you're going to have to tell me how they compare. For our anniversary one year, I bought him one of those hot dog rollers, you know, like they have at the gas station, and it's the portable one. And he really enjoyed it, so we'll have to see what you think.
I do enjoy the hot dog stream. This is faster, to be honest. This is faster. That's about 20 minutes. This was 8.
True.
The eggs still have a few minutes to go. What do you want to do in here next? You want to do the cookies or the pizza? How about the pizza?
Okay, let's do
the pizza in there while we're waiting for the eggs. We'll throw this little frozen pizza in here. Again, our girls love that. This is going to be about, let's try 10 minutes. It's 400. I'm going to eat a hot dog. Pizza is done. Our eggs are done.
All right.
I am going to put the eggs in some
look at
ice
that.
water. Look at that.
This was quick, too.
This will stop the eggs from cooking.
And
all right, turn that off.
there we go.
Look at that. Now, just cookies. Drop this down to 350 degrees. And, well, these cook. I've always wanted to try something, and I have seen, and I don't know if you've ever seen it, when they do the eggs, they peel them in the glass. They put it in a glass and shake it. Have you ever seen that?
Yes.
All right, dump the water out, and I have never tried this.
Okay, so you're seeing it here.
So I think people go like this.
Okay.
That just made a mess. But well,
it
does
does
pretty
work.
good.
It comes off. It's just so shattered.
Yeah,
That's kind of a failed experiment, maybe. I mean,
well,
it works, but
maybe you've had better luck. All right. So anyway, this is an egg in the air fryer. Let me cut this open so you can see that it is indeed done. It's not raw. It's not. Now you can hear that.
And it's not overdone. That's
perfect hard-boiled egg. You can go a little less if you like the yolks a little snottier. Either way, whatever you call it. So I'm gonna try it again.
Okay.
All right. There's got to be a different trick to it. Yeah, that's just a horrible idea.
Don't try this
that.
at home.
Oh, you know what? Though, look.
Well, I guess it did
The
work.
second time worked a lot better.
Just messy. All right.
All right, now all we're doing is waiting on some cookies.
Oops, we're thinking the cookies are done.
All right, let's pull them out here. Oh, look at that.
Now they don't spread as much as they do on a
They
cookie
don't.
sheet, but they look pretty darn good anyway. They stay thicker.
Well, and they're super gooey, right? So they stay kind of crispy on the outside and they're really gooey on the inside, which is great. This is great. This would be good on vanilla ice cream.
True.
And the nice thing is these clean up so fast. Yeah.
All right.
See, things you may not have known you can do in an air fryer, and you can. Oh, this looks like a great meal. But we are not,
We're not done yet.
No, we are going to take and clean all this up, and when we come back, recipe you found that looks great.
No, it looks so good. It is a potato skin nachos.
Yes.
Done in an air fryer.
We're going to show you how fast and easy that is. We're going to eat this. Get the stuff out for the nachos, and while we do that, let's head out to O'Rourke's across the street from the University of Notre Dame and learn to whip up a classic cocktail.
Hi there, my name is Kelsey. Today we're going to be making my signature cocktail, the 1780. What you're going to start with is a pint glass. You're going to grab Jameson whiskey. You're going to do 1 1/4 ounce of Jameson. And then you're going to grab a black raspberry liqueur. You're going to do 1/2 ounce of this. You're going to do a splash of pineapple juice. And then roughly about 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. You're going to add vanilla bark bitters to it, or any vanilla bitters that you have. You are going to add ice into your pint glass. Make sure not to spill it all over the place. And then you're going to take your martini shaker, add your concoction into it, shake it on up. You're going to open it. You're going to strain it into a martini glass. And then you're going to finish it off with a fresh squeeze of orange juice. And that's the 1780.
Hey, thanks so much, Kelsey. Now we're going to tackle a recipe that I'm super excited about because it looks so good.
It includes one of your favorite foods.
Yes, potatoes. Oh, I could eat potatoes all the time. So we're making potato skin nachos in the air fryer.
Real easy to do. These little bags of potatoes are super soft. You just cut them in half, put them in the bowl. I will pour in this stuff if you want to be the potato mixer.
Okay.
All right, so you pour in, and we'll have the entire recipe for this at the end. So go ahead and stir that up a little bit.
Okay.
And then once you get those
A bit
coated
of
in
olive
oil,
oil.
we'll go with some chili powder, just a little bit of chili powder here. Get that all worked in. We'll get some paprika worked in. And some salt. All right.
All right,
Mix
so
those
we're
up.
gonna mix this up.
And then for the end, we have some bacon, some cheese, and some sour cream. This is about 15 minutes or so in the air fryer, and this is, again, you can cook it if you like potatoes a little mushy.
He likes them crispy.
I like them crispy.
I like
So that's
them
always one of
mushy.
the big battles. All right, looks like we have those things nice and coated.
All right.
These are ready to go into our basket. I'll just dump those in. This is going to be 400 for about 15 minutes. All right, halfway through, you'll take them out and shake them. 3, 2, 1.
Woohoo!
All right,
They
now,
are
look
done.
at that. All right, now we shake them around. We sprinkle on a little cheese. It's going to make things a little messy in there.
Okay.
And we'll put a little more on. Just kind of let that get soft, which they could probably do. They're so hot without putting it in there.
The bacon doesn't go on yet.
Bacon, you know what? Let's put the bacon in
Kinda
there.
makes
and
sense
warm
to
up.
do it,
Let's-
right?
Let's just warm it all up. And then we'll mix them up on the plate. And we'll just let that cheese get melty. All right, we'll go just a minute.
Just a minute.
Just a minute or so. We'll pour them in the plate, a little more cheese. We got some sour cream. You could salsa if you wanted to.
Yes.
This is gonna be good.
And you know, about how many minutes? I mean, it's going to vary based on your unit, but
Right.
we've had them in
It
15.
was 15 minutes at 400 degrees. I bet these things are so hot that cheese is just gonna
Melting anyway.
Yeah, look at that, it's already gooey. So the trick. You get out, potato. All right. Yes.
Do a little more cheese.
Yeah.
Garnish
More
on.
cheese.
Spread the bacon around.
Yeah. Oh yes. Lava. So you need your favorite. This is just kind of like a taco blended cheese. And I bet that's hot enough. Let me turn it on. It's hot enough to let that melt. You let that melt. I'm gonna grab the cheese is melted. Big dollop of solid cream.
Looks good.
Oh, I want a piece of bacon in there too. Bacon. Oh, that's gonna be super hot.
I know. I'll let you burn your mouth first. Good?
Good. Hot. I wouldn't do that. Yeah, super hot. That was really good. That was really good. We're gonna let this cool just a little bit more, and we are going to
really
enjoy
good.
this. You'll enjoy it too. The entire recipe is right at the end of this segment.
Yeah. Thanks for being with us here for Mobile Meals.
And we'll see you next time.